How? Oh, look who's here. It's Stinky Winky Woo. Stinky. Hi, Stinky. There's a different cat for you to see today. This is my fat calico cat, Stinky Winky Woo. I don't think she's ever done this before, has she? Come up into the camera. Anyway, I was going to say, howdy, Possum Patty here. And I haven't done a Thrifty Thursday in quite a while. You know, over the spring, summer, and early fall, I did a lot of flea market and yard sales, and I got a lot of stuff. And then once the cold weather sets in, I usually don't do, well, there aren't any yard sales and flea markets around here to go to, but I'm all stocked up, and it lasts me all winter and beyond, believe me. So I have plenty of things, as you can see on the shelves over there. Lots and lots of stuff. I don't need anything, but every once in a while, I'll go into a store like Michael's and get some paper packs or some other things that I can, use for my junk journaling. And if it's a bargain, I share it with you. So today, Mr. Possum wanted to go to the Dollar Tree. And I don't need anything, but I picked up a few Christmas items because it's almost time for my December daily. Come on along. All right, first I need to move my owl. As you can see, I am diamond painting. Isn't she gorgeous? Well, the first thing that I bought at the Dollar Tree was an organizer. Where's my bag? Here it is. Dig down in there. Okay. I bought that organizer. That happened to be the only one that they had that had little compartments in it. Move the label so you can see it a little better. So I don't know how this is going to work with diamond painting, but I don't think it matters too much. And instead of using these big clips that I have on here, what I'm probably going to do for right now is just put one of these little paper clips on there. I know there's all kinds of ways of organizing for diamond painting. Everybody's got their own little system, but I guess they'll fit in there, right? So I need to probably look for something better. This has sort of rounded tops on it. I don't know. And this is like rounded on the bottom over here, and then flat, and then rounded, and this is flat and rounded, and then flat. So I don't know if like you put spools of thread in here maybe. It doesn't say exactly what it's an organizer for. I guess you can use it for anything that you want to. So I'm just, for right now, going to fold these over. I know there's all kinds of things with the little cups and, everything like that. So I'm using those tweezers for the big ones, the big jewels. I was fumbling around with that for a while. All right, I got a couple over here. So if I fold them down that way, I can see the number and get a better clip like that. I don't know. I just throw them in there for now, right? Just so they're not floating around and they don't dump over. So that's all there is on this project. See, some of these spaces are kind of small, but so I was wondering if I could get this in here, and it doesn't fit in there. So that's not a plus, is it? Oh, well, this will have to go somewhere else. It's going to go in my little cup over there for now. This is a pretty cheap one. It's like a plastic straw almost. But I don't know how much diamond painting I'm going to do. I'm loving what I'm doing. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, it's underneath. Duh. Come on, Possum Patty. Because this is a journal, so I love this. But, you know, we'll see. We shall see. Unless I do more journals, right? They have different designs. If I fall in love with this, I may do different journals. So, first item, just a little organizer because I have nothing to put all this diamond painting stuff in. And I got another organizer. I know, right? Possum Patty organizing. And this is because I have some things sitting down on the floor. This says basket. And this is all from the $1.25 Dollar Tree store. And I do have a drawer in the closet where I keep liquid mediums. But sometimes when I'm working on stuff, I just stick them under the table here. And I'm bending down. My matte medium's almost empty. And I've got baby oil. That's to clean the jelly plate. And I've got baby powder cornstarch. And that is for, gotta get back up now. When you're using like acrylic paints or some kind of glossy medium, makes the pages stick together. So, yeah, these were just under the table. So I thought maybe having a little basket to put them in might work. And room here for my gesso, which Mr. Possum is using because he's building me a TARDIS. I'm going to put that back under the table, but now it's going to be a lot easier to just slide out that basket and, you know, grab what I need out of there. I thought Mr. Possum was going to build me, you know, like a big TARDIS. But no, it's going to be a little TARDIS, but I'm still happy for it. So that's it. I think the rest of the items are for Christmas and at my fave Dollar Tree, which is always neat. Always clean. Every time I go in there, there is a gentleman who is putting out new merchandise, cleaning up the aisles, straightening everything out. It is just awesome. And he was working in the Christmas shop, so I thought I would pick up a couple of things for my December daily. Let me show you. I've got to move some stuff out of the way. I guess I didn't prep. I didn't prep very well here. Let me just move that for now. Over there. Okay, just pushing things aside, right? All right, so they had these 2-packs. Now, I thought this was interesting. 2-pack window clings. So these are $1.25. Sorry about the glare. And one side has these flat window clings. And I've been trying to put these in my journal. And I know this is a little large, but wait till you see my Christmas journal. And on the other side, they're 3-dimensional. And you know, I have to have my gnomies. Gotta love my gnomes. So I love this gnome for the holiday. These big presents. And these are all like 3-dimensional. Little mushroom there. So I said, oh, I like this. Mushroom house. I like them with their little knitted hats. So that was one thing I bought. And then I got more gnomes. I know some people don't like gnomes, but I'm a gnome fan from way back. So now that everything is gnomes, for me it's not a fad. It's just something I was always loved. So yeah, look at these gnomes. They're so cute. And they're also a little puffy and shiny. So that can go in my Christmas journal. And then I saw these. Do I need ribbon and trim? No, I don't need ribbon and trim. But just like paper, you know. What can I say? I'm not out at the flea market, so I got to do my thrifty hauls, my Thrifty Thursday. Thrifty Thursday is hosted by Sheree at Turquoise Dreaming. I don't want to forget to say that. Okay, so trim. I thought these were just so festive. I had to get them. I haven't seen these at the Dollar Tree anywhere else yet. Of course, they may have been somewhere I wasn't looking. This is Christmas house. This is in the Christmas section. But look at this one. Oh my gosh. It is a beautiful trim with sequins. Look at that. I love it. It's just so beautiful. I can put this on a journal page. It goes awesome with my gnomes. Look at that. And I can use it in my slow stitch if I want to. I could use it on any kind of project. And they had it in red. So I had to get my red. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And then they had a different red. Let me do this one next. Pull that little plastic off. Look at this one. I like this one. I love it. I love it. I like it. I love it. I did not see this one in green, though. I did not see it in green, but wouldn't that look awesome? I'm like, you can make a ruffle and sew this down the middle of it, put it on your page, even like a paper ruffle, and just put this right through the middle of it. It's going to be very nice. I don't know how much more I'm going to fit into my December daily. I weighed it. It weighs 5 pounds, 5 pounds, 6 pounds. And then this one, look at this one. This one has gold tinsel on it. It's red and green with gold tinsel. How festive is that? And even you can make like a little tree and use this as like a little garland going back and forth on the tree in your journal. There's that one. And then there was this one. And this was the only one they had, even though the packaging is a little bit messed up. But I had to get it. It's the only one left. This must be the most popular one. Because look at this one. They're like little pom-poms or little tassels. How could I pass this up? Alright, so even with bent packaging, last one left. Each of these has 9 feet. Each of these was $1.25. And that is all I got for Christmas. I don't need a lot of Christmas stuff at all. I've got a bunch upstairs, downstairs, all the stairways, right? So in a few days, what's today? Today is the 18th, I guess. So in about a week and a half, I'll be working in this, which was my Christmas in July, and I did a little preview of this the other day. And I do put everything in here. You can see there's material, there's trim, old calendars, and just there's a tag here floating around. I mean, I put everything in here. Junk, we got junk. So I have a lot of blank pages that I'll be doing my December dailies on, maybe a little memory keeping. And the pages are nice and big, so like I said, no problem with these gnomes. I could even leave like those cups of hot cocoa there. Put a little gnome on there, look at that. Maybe add a little trim over there, do a little bit of journaling for the day. Same thing with this. So, yeah, I got Halloween in here. I got everything is in this journal, look at this. Oh, I was playing around with Kawaii Halloween, pink and purple and yellow pumpkins, and a Kawaii ghost. I was just playing around. I've got some art in here, World Elephant Day, I drew an elephant. These are giant stickers from the Dollar Tree. I do have pom-poms in here already. This is Dollar Tree trim. Mom's 90th birthday. So, lots of stuff, more art, memory keeping. So I have, I made these owls and I love them. And I think I made 3, but I put all 3 in this journal. So I'd like to make some more of these slow stitch owls. These were very fun to make. Sometimes it's good to go back and, you know, look at your journal and get some ideas back. So, like, this is September journaling about 9/11. So I've got, oh, this is a secret page. I won't go into that now, but I'll show you some more when I start journaling in here, because this is a real, kitties and ugly Christmas sweaters. Somebody showed me how to make these with washi tape. That was a lot of fun. And then you put a sticker. A lot of fun, lot of fun. Lots of interactive, lots of pom-poms, lots of memories in this one. Look at this one. This is one of my favorites. Look at this. Spectacular. Spectacular. Pop out. It's made with trash. These are made with paper plates. It's so funny. Yeah, so this is very fun, and it's been around for a while. 2021, I guess I made this. So it wasn't this summer, it was the summer before I did this. So, yeah, it's about time this one got done too. 2021. So July, August, September, October 2021. And maybe 22 will be the year it gets finished. So those are my Dollar Tree items, and those are what the ideas that I plan to use all this for. So I'd just like to thank our hostess, Sheree at Turquoise Dreaming, for hashtag Thrifty Thursday, and please go visit her channel. I will link it below. And if you click on the hashtag Thrifty Thursday, you can see a list of videos of all the participants and their great bargains for junk journaling. So thanks for coming along today, and happy junk journaling. Happy retail therapy. Bye-bye.